If you're trying to get crisp, professional audio for your camera without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best wireless mics for camera, perfect for creators, vloggers, and anyone who wants studio quality sound on the go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. DJI Wireless Mic for Camera. The DJI Wireless Mic for Cameras is built for creators who want reliable, crystal clear audio without dealing with messy cables. Whether you're filming YouTube videos, interviews, travel vlogs, or recording content at home or in the office, this mic is designed to give you professional results with almost zero setup. Right out of the box, the DJI mic feels premium. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to clip onto clothing, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. The build quality is solid, and the case keeps everything organized while doubling as a fast-charging hub. Battery life is impressive, giving you hours of shooting time, and the clean display makes it easy to check levels and status instantly. What stands out most is the sound quality. You get rich, clear, studio-grade audio with strong noise reduction that works well outdoors or in busy environments. Connectivity is fast and stable, whether you're pairing it to a camera, smartphone, or laptop, and the long wireless range gives you the freedom to move naturally while recording. Performance stays consistent whether you're indoors, outdoors, traveling, recording tutorials, or even streaming. Pros include excellent audio clarity, reliable wireless connection, great battery performance, and very user-friendly controls. A small inconvenience is the touch controls can be sensitive at times, and the compact size makes the pieces easier to misplace if you're not careful. Personally, I think the DJI wireless mic is a powerful, creator-focused tool built to deliver clean, professional audio anywhere you shoot. See the description for more details. Number 2. HollyView Wireless Mic for Camera. The HollyView Wireless Mic for Camera is one of those compact, creator-friendly tools designed to give you clean, reliable sound wherever you shoot. It's perfect for vloggers, interviewers, filmmakers, and anyone who wants broadcast-level audio without complicated gear. Right out of the box, the mic feels modern and well-built. It's lightweight, pocket-size, and the matte finish gives it a premium look. The compact transmitter and receiver snap easily onto your camera or clothing, making it versatile for home studio shoots, outdoor filming, travel vlogs, office recordings, or even quick on-the-go content. When it comes to performance, HollyView focuses on clarity. You get crisp vocal pickup, stable wireless transmission, and low background noise, even in busy environments. The connectivity is smooth, pairing almost instantly, and the display is easy to read with clear indicators for battery and signal strength. Battery life is dependable for long sessions, so you can record interviews, tutorials, or product demos without worrying about frequent recharging. In terms of strengths, the standout pros are its clean audio quality, compact design, user-friendly setup, and consistent wireless performance. As for inconveniences, the mic can be a bit sensitive to wind without a proper cover, and the clip may feel tight on thicker clothing. But overall, these are minor compared to the convenience it brings. If you want reliable, professional-sounding audio from a mic that fits right into your workflow, this one is an easy recommendation. See the description for more details. Number 3. SYNCO Wireless Mic for Camera. The SYNCO Wireless Mic for Camera is one of those compact, creator-friendly tools that instantly makes your setup feel more professional. It's designed for vloggers, filmmakers, podcasters, interviewers, and anyone who wants clean, reliable sound without dealing with messy cables. Right out of the box, the SYNCO mic looks sleek and modern. It's lightweight, easy to clip on, and built with a solid, travel-friendly design. The compact form factor makes it perfect for on-the-go shooting, whether you're recording at home, in the office, on a walk-and-talk shoot, or even during travel. The controls are simple, the display is clear, and the overall usability feels very beginner-friendly. What really stands out is the sound quality. You get crisp, low-noise audio that stays consistent even in busy environments. The wireless connection is stable, giving you freedom to move while keeping your voice clear. Battery performance is dependable, allowing longer shoots without interruptions. For creators who record fitness videos, interviews, product reviews, or travel vlogs, this mic helps deliver a polished, professional sound experience. Pros include its excellent clarity, strong wireless range, compact build, easy setup, and versatile use across cameras, phones, and indoor-outdoor environments. A small inconvenience is the mic can pick up wind without a cover, and beginners may need a minute to adjust gain levels for best results. Personally, I think the SYNCO wireless mic is a reliable, creator-approved upgrade for better audio in any setting. See the description for more details. Number 4. BOYA wireless mic for camera. The BOYA wireless mic is one of those creator-friendly tools that instantly upgrades your setup. It's designed for vloggers, interviewers, content creators, and anyone who wants clear, stable sound whether shooting indoors or outdoors. Right out of the box, the BOYA system feels compact, lightweight, and easy to operate. The build is solid enough for everyday use, yet small enough to slip into a pocket or camera bag. The design is simple: clean buttons, clear indicators, and a user-friendly layout that makes setup quick, especially for beginners. Battery performance is steady, giving you long recording sessions without constant recharging. In terms of performance, the mic delivers clean audio with good noise control, making voices sound natural and consistent. Connectivity is stable thanks to its dependable wireless transmission, and the range is more than enough for typical camera work. It handles different environments well, perfect for home recording, office presentations, street interviews, travel vlogging, or even light studio setups. Pros include its portability, easy plug-and-play operation, solid battery life, and clear sound quality. A few inconveniences to note: the system can pick up wind in harsh conditions without a windshield, and the small size means you should keep track of the clips and accessories. But overall, its strengths easily outweigh these minor issues. If you want a smoother audio experience for your camera content, the BOYA wireless mic is a dependable choice. See the description for more details. Number 5. KUKIHO wireless mic for camera. The KUKIHO wireless mic for camera is a compact, creator-focused audio solution designed for anyone who needs clear, reliable sound on the go. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, content creator, or someone recording interviews, tutorials, or travel footage, this mic is built to upgrade your audio without adding bulk. Right out of the box, the design is sleek, lightweight, and easy to set up. The transmitter and receiver feel solid, with a modern matte finish that fits nicely on any camera setup. Its compact size makes it perfect for home studios, office recordings, outdoor shoots, or even quick travel content. Despite the small body, the battery life is impressive, long enough for extended filming sessions without constant recharging. Performance is where the KUKIHO mic really stands out. You get crisp, natural vocal clarity, reduced background noise, and stable wireless connectivity, even in busy environments. For creators who move around a lot, the low latency and strong signal keep your audio smooth and consistent. It works well with cameras, smartphones, laptops, and even portable recorders, giving you true versatility across different shooting situations. Pros include its excellent sound quality, strong wireless stability, lightweight build, long battery performance, and easy plug-and-play usability. A small inconvenience is the wind reduction could be stronger in heavy outdoor conditions, and the small controls may take a little time to get used to. Personally, I think the KUKIHO wireless mic for camera delivers a reliable, creator-friendly experience that makes your videos sound more professional with very little effort. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.